Melanie Hamilton lives and works in Rothesay, New Brunswick, on a large country property. She builds solid wood furniture, often incorporating Danish cord into her work. Starting with solid wood as her foundation, seating plays a large role in her work. As I mentioned, she often incorporates Danish cord and other materials into her furniture. She uses straight grained wood in her work to allow the design to come through loud and clear, rather than have busy grain take away from what's important. Chairs aren't the only pieces where Melanie brings cord into her work. As you can see here, cord can be included in tables and many other pieces of furniture. Melanie makes a model before she builds most of her pieces. This allows her to adjust proportion and joinery details, saving time and material in the long run. Here's a quarter scale model of one of her pieces called Total Allowable Catch. And here's the finished piece. Another model, and the full-size piece. This is a model of a light she recently completed. And here are some process shots of installing the cord in the finished light. Melanie's studio is in the basement of her house. At 1,000 square feet, it isn't small. She also keeps it clean and very well organized. A wide range of machines, power tools, hand tools, and design inspiration keep her busy and efficient while working. Living in the country keeps anyone busy, and Melanie is no exception. Keeping the chickens happy is one of her many daily chores, and raising her 9-year-old son is a big part of her life.